So the custom track function is implemented to allow you to display your own set of custom data and browse them along with the track data that we provided on the Human Epigenome Browser. In order to use the custom track function, you need to go to the custom track tab in the control panel, and two formats of the custom tracks are supported right now. The bigwig format allows you to display your numerical measurement along the genome and display them, and the bigwig track will go into the heat map panel here. And another format is bigbed, allows you to compile your own set of genomic features and display them as a genomic feature track like the gene body track here. So also in the little short help text here, you can find the links to these two file formats on the UCIC website, telling you how to prepare convert your text format files into those binary files. So let's start. Let me start by showing you how to upload the bigwig track. The first step is to so basically the steps to make bigwig or bigbed track is to prepare your data into the corresponding formats and put those files on the web server, on your own web server, and get the URL to those files and paste the URL here. So you see that we got a I got a sample example bigwig file here, and it's on our web server, but it's going to be displayed through the custom track mechanism. The last necessary step to upload this track is to name it custom bigwig. So after giving it appropriate name, the name has to be unique among all those tracks. Just click the submit. Okay, we got a additional track here in the heat map panel. You see that when I mouse over, the tooltip tells me that the name is custom bigwig track, and by default the track has a blue color, and you can see that this track also occupies one row in the metadata area, because we didn't specify any metadata for this track, so all the values are gray, and we can specify annotation to this track by using the options here. Let me first remove this track. So the first type of option is allow you to annotate your bigwig custom track using the existing metadata vocabulary that we provided on the server. You see that this is basically the metadata vocabulary tree. The most informative parts are epigenetic mark and sample, and you can try to select the one using the drop-down menu. Select the one you want. Select the H1 embryonic cell line. Okay, and we submit. So it's here. The custom track is here, and you see that we just specify it. The mark type is MRE seek, so it's with this group of tracks, and also it has a sample name of a sample type of H1 embryonic cell line, so it's here. Right. So this is but sometimes you might not be able to find the suitable word from the given custom vocabulary, and we do consider this case, and we allow you to use your own to build your own custom metadata term. So any of the submitted custom tracks, including both bigwig and bigbed, will show up in this table here. you can click this icon to remove them. Yeah. I think I need to. Well. Yeah. Okay. So let's start by creating a new metadata term. Clicking this button. Currently, there's no term yet. So you see a new panel show up, and the step to create term is first you need to specify the name of the term. So let's just follow the example I gave here, very short example. My friends. This is a term name. You can specify the number of attributes for this term. You can use this drop-down menu to control the number of attributes you want. The number allowed is from 1 to 10. So let's just go back with 3. Use the names here: Sanborn, Eldridge, and James. Right. Get all the values ready, and click Add this term. So you see one term show up here. So in order to annotate, you just need to choose one value for this term. Let's just use Sanborn and click Submit. Right. We go back to the heat map panel. See that the track is here, and because we didn't specify any metadata term using our existing vocabulary, so all those columns are empty. But one additional column is added here. This is reads my name, my friends, and this track got a value for this attribute to Sanborn, right? So this is a custom big track. Let me also show you the custom big bet. It's simpler. This is a you need to prepare your own set of genomic feature in the bed6 format. But please be aware that there's one special requirement. That is, the fifth field of your bed file has to be a unique integer in order to comply with our mechanism that allows the user to drag and move all the tracks, including the genomic feature tracks. Yeah, the fifth field of the bed6 format has to be a unique integer so that it can move along in this drag move function. Okay, I also got a sample big bet file here, and the only necessary step is to name it as custom big bet. Change it to display mode to full and just click the submit. So you see we got it on here. This is a custom big bet track. Because the bet format doesn't allow the encoding the internal structure. This custom big bet is actually the gene bodies. So you see this track has a very similar look at the gene body track, because it marks out the start and stop gene bodies, strand, and gene names. But the bet format doesn't allow encoding the internal feature structure, so it's only a one box here. Right. Okay, so this is the custom track function of Human Epigenome Browser.